This video is a breakdown of the function test for the SA80 A2 weapon system in general service by the British Army. We will look at the full sequence of the function test followed by a detailed breakdown and also have a look at the context when the function test needs to be carried out. To start with, let's go through the whole sequence.
Right, safety, change lever, handle back, try fire off the trigger, muscle fire, fire, hold, release, listen for the click, fire off the action, go on to weapon automatic, cock it, fire off the action, release slowly, listen for the click, listen fire, safety, change lever, that's coming.
Check that the safety catch is at S for safe and the change lever is at R for repetition. Cock the weapon and press the trigger. The weapon should not fire. Set the safety catch to F for fire and press the trigger. The weapon should fire. Keep the trigger pressed down, cock the weapon and release the trigger. You should feel and hear a click, which is the hammer engaging the main sear. It should sound like this. Press the trigger to fire off the action. Set the change lever to A for automatic and cock the weapon. Press the trigger, the weapon should fire. Keep the trigger pressed down. Cock the weapon and release the charging handle slowly. You should hear the hammer fall to strike the firing pin. This should sound like this. Release the trigger, set the safety catch to S for safe and change lever to R for repetition. Close the dust cover. This concludes the function test. A function test is carried out after a weapon is stripped for daily cleaning. Usually the sequence is as follows. A half normal safety precaution, NSP, is carried out, where all the steps before the weapon is fired off is performed. The weapon is stripped and cleaned and reassembled. A function test is carried out to ensure the weapon still functions correctly after being stripped and cleaned.